Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The toolbar at the right side of the Camera Raw dialog box contains buttons for tools and buttons that change the panel to its left, where you can then access more tools and settings to edit the opened Camera Raw image. You can click the Edit button in the toolbar, which is selected by default, to view the Basic, Detail, and Calibration tabs to its left in the Edit panel. This is where you make most image adjustments to Camera Raw images in the Camera Raw dialog box. We'll discuss the various settings within each tab in this panel in detail in later lessons of this chapter. When the Edit button in the toolbar is selected, then the default tool that appears when you hold your mouse pointer over the preview image is the Zoom tool. You can also activate the Zoom tool when it is not selected by clicking the Zoom tool button in the toolbar at the right side of the Camera Raw dialog box. To zoom when the Zoom tool is selected, hold your pointer over the preview image and click to zoom into the area at which you click. To zoom out to fit the image in the preview area again, click again. To set the magnification level to use when you click the preview image with the Zoom tool, select a choice from the Select Zoom Level dropdown. Alternatively, to set the magnification by clicking and dragging when the Zoom tool is selected, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then click and drag over the area in the preview image to magnify. To temporarily switch to the Hand tool when the Zoom tool is selected, hold down either the Control or Spacebar key on your keyboard. To temporarily switch to the White Balance tool instead, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. To use the Hand tool by default, click the Hand tool button at the bottom of the toolbar at the right side of the Camera Raw dialog box. The Hand tool lets you scroll and pan the preview image in the window. Click and drag the preview image when using the Hand tool to move it in the preview window. To temporarily switch to the Zoom tool when the Hand tool is selected, hold down the Control key or Alt key on your keyboard. To temporarily switch to the White Balance tool instead, hold down the Shift key. To use the White Balance tool by default, click the White Balance tool button in the Expanded Basic tab of the Edit panel that appears to the left of the toolbar when the Edit button is selected. The White Balance tool sets the correct white balance in the photo to remove color casts from improper lighting when the photo was taken. This tool changes the temperature and tint values in the Basic tab to make the adjustment. To use the White Balance tool, click into a place in the preview image that should contain either a neutral gray tone or a non-specular white tone to remove any color casts and adjust the color of the whole image. To turn off the White Balance tool, click the same button again to deselect it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.